Welcome back to Premium Option, the channel designed to help you learn and profit from the stock market and options trading. Now today we have a pretty big topic. We're going to be talking about ARK Invest and two really big penny stocks that they just continue to keep buying into. Now we're going to cover those two penny stocks a little bit later in the video, but if you're brand new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. It really does help out the channel a ton. And on top of that, if you're brand new, make sure to go check out the Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description down below. And we talk about everything from market news, market updates, trading ideas, stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, link is in the description down below for you guys, completely free. Okay, so currently we're on ARK's website right now. Now, if you don't know what ARK is, it's an investment firm that helps you track everything that they're looking into as an investment, and you can follow all of that through them. Now, the CEO and the Chief Investment Officer is Cathie Woods, which you can see right here, and she's also placed right here. She's an extremely intelligent, successful, and very popular investor among the investing community, and a lot of what her investment firm does, a lot of people also follow. So when they're buying these two penny stocks that we're going to talk about right now, it's showing that they have a lot of potential to grow into the future. And just on top of that, just to show you how successful and how accurate that some of her ETFs are, we can come down to explore the ETFs. We can come to her, probably one of her most famous ones, and that's the ARK Innovation ETF. Once we click on that, we can scroll down and we can see how she's done year to date or the last 6 months. But over the last year, you can see that she's had some massive growth, and over the all-time curve, she's gone from having the ETF at $20 to go over $136. So she definitely knows what she's doing. They definitely have a very good understanding of what to invest in and how to put their money and how to allocate it. But with all that out of the way, let's actually look at the two penny stocks that we want to look at that they've been buying a bunch of. So the first one is going to be PPBT. Now, the website that I'm on right now is called Lucid Tracking. It helps you allow, if you're interested in getting something like this, you can track ARK Invest, BlackRock, a bunch of different cryptos, meme coin, meme stocks, a bunch of crypto and all that. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave the description to this website down below. But right now, we're just going to go with the first stock that they've been trading, and that's PPBT. Now, as you can see, this is the holdings that ARK Invest has been investing in. And if you scroll to July 12th and anything below, you can see that they've been buying nothing, and it's been zero. Then July 13th to now, so basically half a month, they've been buying 23,000, 300,000, 1.7 million shares, and every single day they've been buying thousands and thousands of dollars worth of these shares. And they're currently at 737,000 shares of PPBT. Now, just looking at the stock the past month, it's been up 13%, the last 6 months over 36%, and in the last year it's down at around 31%. So it's done good in the recent time frame, but I really do think that it could definitely get back to these all-time highs. So let's go a little bit more into what it is, and this is their website. So this is where you can learn everything about them, their mission, executive team, board of directors, everything like that, the pipeline, how they started. So we're not going to bore you with all this, but this is just something to look into that's really interesting. And you can also see what they're going into and what they're trying to do. And if you're interested in what they are, it's a development stage pharma company that engages in drug development. Now, there's two different types of segments within PPBT, and that's oncology, and then the other one is pain and hypertension. So those are their two main segments. Now, you also have an investors tab that you can go to, and it's going to show you a bunch of different things like events that are coming up, info, press releases, filings, and a bunch of other stuff like that. That's very helpful. Now, the big reason that I'm also bullish on this is because other analysts aside from ARK Invest are also looking into this. So if you come to MarketBeat, you can look up the analysis rankings, and you can also look this up on tipranks.com, which I'll leave a link down below as well. But you can see that we currently only have one analyst rating on this. Now, this isn't really what you should be doing if you're just trying to look into a stock and you're only going to look at another analysis ranking. This is just one piece of the puzzle, and it helps you understand what other people are seeing in this. But as you can see, the brokerage H.C. Wainwright had an analysis that it is a buy and a price target of $25. Now, currently, it is sitting at as you can see, only $5.52, which would be a pretty huge gain. That'd be a 5x gain from where it's at right now. And obviously, ARK Invest is very interested in this as well because they continue to buy thousands and thousands of shares of this. Okay, so if we come back to Lucid Motors, now we're going to look into the second penny stock that they've been investing in. And the second one is going to be called ENTX, which is Entera Bio. So as you can see, again, they didn't really start buying this all the way back until July 15th. And you can see that they started off heavy, but they've been kind of slowing down a little bit. But they started off with $1.4 million, bought a couple $100,000 a little bit after that, and then just have been steadily buying this every single day. They currently hold around 531,000 shares of this. And as you can see in the past week, it's down around 3%. The last month down a heavy 14%. But what's impressive is that they're up over 267% in just the last 6 months. And over the past year, they're up over 200%. So they had a massive rise, kind of the opposite of what PPBT was doing. But again, we can come down here and go to their website and see what they're all about, just so we can understand a little bit more about the company. Now, if you are interested, they are a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, and their main focus is on the development and commercialization of orally delivered large molecule therapeutics. So you can also come to their company profile, look at what they're doing, what they're testing, the technology that they're trying to do, how they're trying to help people, what they're really trying to get into and tap into, the pipeline of the drugs and the pipeline of their clinical studies. And then also you can come to their investors tab and you can see share information, press releases, filings, a bunch of other stuff like that. That's going to be helpful for you as an investor to make a little bit of money on them. And again, if we come back to Market Beat or Tip Ranks or wherever you want to go to get your analysis ranking, you can type in the ticker symbol. It's going to populate down here, and then you can just click analysis rating. And once you click on that, you can scroll down and you can see exactly where these people are looking at. So as you can see, there are 3 different brokerages that are looking into this, and you can see all of their price targets are buys. And currently it's sitting at around $5 for Entera Bio. And the first one has a price target of $12. The other one updated their price ranking from $9 to $14. And then the third one from Maxim Group updated his from $5 to $10 on their ranking. So as you can see, these are some pretty interesting stocks to look into, especially because they have a lot of upside potential, not just because ARK Invest is looking into them, but also other analysts are also feeling bullish on it. And they do have some pretty good potential for the future, especially if they can get out of the clinical stage that they're in currently, and if they can get to the price targets that a lot of people think they can get to. This can be some high growth stocks into the future. But again, you just have to do your own research, understand what you're actually investing in, and also just do your due diligence. But again, if you are interested in getting in the free Discord, link is in the description down below, and we can't wait to see you guys on the other side. All right, until the next video, we'll see you guys then. Peace.